Through the memory of Gaiden, this is what Daniel achieved. He became one of the greatest mixed martial artists to ever walk the earth, thus giving us insight into our own lives. Men who wish to achieve astronomical heights must have a sense of purpose. In this world, confusingly pushing us from place to place with little justification as to why, purpose is much harder to achieve than one would think. Men, especially on a biological level, need a justification, a why, a reason bigger than themselves to operate at full capacity. They need to feel like they can give their lives for something bigger than themselves. When that is achieved, an average man is given laser focus, his limits are released, and he becomes phenomenal. This is what I see when I see Daniel Cormier. By experiencing one of the darkest depths a human being can experience, reaching into it, grasping onto its fire and placing it upon his heart, as he continues to walk this plane in memory of his beloved Gaiden, I've no doubt he will be immortalized as one of the greatest mixed martial artists of all time. To that end, I encourage you all to find what lights your heart on fire. Maybe similarly to Daniel, you might find it, reaching into the pain life has put in front of you. Thank you, Daniel Cormier, for this lesson. Hello. I made this video believing Daniel Cormier would be one day recognized as an all-time great, despite just losing to Jon Jones. I'll leave a link down below. Overall though, I don't need to break this one down. Dominic Cruz did perfectly on the pay-per-view. The insight was virtually perfect. But Daniel Cormier, he does pay testament to a philosophy I've shared many times before. It's not a matter of how much muscle when generating punching power. Of course, that may play a role, but force is mass times acceleration. The more mass he has and the faster he can deliver his technique, the more devastating he will be. Acceleration, mass, and how efficient his kinetic chain is via technique. The way he saw that opening and recoiled back into a shot, Stipe probably would not have been able to take that shot even if he saw it coming. Truly, it is a privilege seeing this man bounce back from such a crushing point in time to now being filled in euphoria. It should serve as an inspiration to all. Confucius: our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Let this be a testament to all of us, to stand up again, regardless of how many times the world attempts to break you. Because if you can feel it in your heart, it may just be only a matter of time.